home far away. I travel down this road, I feel the moonlight coming to me from yesterday. Yesterday, Lord, my memory of it all, brown skin.
And my phone is dying. I had to charge my phone. Look at you guys. We got leis. Look how pretty these are. And they're real flowers. Manny. Look at Manny's flowers. Welcome to another Angel on the Go video. And today we are at Walmart. And the difference between this Walmart and the ones by our house is that we're actually in Hawaii. We're in Hawaii on vacation. And we are still clearance shopping. So I told Manny that he can actually go into one Walmart while we're on vacation. And this is our one Walmart. You guys, we are in Hawaii and we're still finding clearance. So we're about to show you what we found. All right, you guys, we are scoring in Hawaii. I cannot believe this. Look what we found, you guys. Look at this. These are some frozen socks. And look at how big this pack is. This looks like these are no-show socks, Disney Frozen 2. This looks like it has 6 pairs. Look at this, you guys. 6 pairs. Again, we are in Hawaii. And we are still finding clearance at our first Walmart. I'm so excited. After this Walmart, you guys, we're actually going to the beach. But again, these are the Frozen 2. Here's the UPC. And you guys, these are only ringing up $1. You guys know that we're taking these. I don't know how we're going to get them home. We might have to go to the post office. Look at this, you guys. This huge bundle of troll socks. Look at this. Trolls. I believe you get 6 pairs. There's the tag. And these are all different sizes, you guys. Here's the UPC. You guys, these are only $1. $1. Only on Angel on the Go. Look at these. You guys know we love anything Disney. These are no-show Minnie Mouse socks. And this also comes with 6 pairs. I'm going to show you the UPC. There's the UPC right there. And you guys, I'm talking fast because we're not supposed to be here. My brother said no Walmart. But we had to sneak over here. These are only $1. So remember, you guys, the frozen ones are $1. And you guys can see it says $4 here. But I actually scanned it and they're $1. These Minnie Mouse socks are $1. These troll socks are $1. And then they have these JoJo. There's JoJo. I think her name is JoJo Siwa or something like that. Live Your Dream. I'm going to show you guys the UPC. Look at that. You guys, these are only $1. $1. I cannot believe we're in Hawaii and we're finding this much clearance already. So today it's socks. These say 4, but they're only $1. So I'm going to go ahead and snatch these. I'm going to snatch these, and I have some on the floor. We also found some other socks in the little boy section. So we're going to show you guys those socks in a minute. All right, you guys, I'm taking all these socks and throwing them in here. Can you get this off?
You acting like you me or something.
Socks. Manny, guess how much they are?
How
I just
much?
found these while you were over there.
What?
$1.
Really? The Minnie
Look
Mouse?
at that. A 6-pack of Minnie Mouse. $1.
Okay.
Look at that.
Okay.
Look at that. Trolls, $1. $1. Oh. Frozen, $1.
Man, you know, I just checked at the other store and it was regular.
It was regular price?
Yeah.
Okay, so these are only $1. We're gonna grab those. Here's another JoJo. These are like stuck on here. All right. So these are the socks that we got so far. I just went over these, so I showed them the Frozen. They have the Trolls and that JoJo.
Okay. That's a good
So
one.
now we have to show them all this other stuff that we got. How are we finding this much stuff?
In Hawaii.
In Hawaii. So anybody that lives in Hawaii, see if you guys see us in this Walmart.
It's clearance in Hawaii, you guys.
Clearance. You gotta show them the boy socks. Do you wanna do it now?
Go ahead.
All right, so we found these. What is that? What's the R?
Russell.
Russell? Russell Performance Active. You guys can see this price right here. Normal price is $8.47. You guys can see the $5 price here. Here's the UPC. You see? These are only coming up $2. $2 for a pack of, I don't have my glass, six. So we got a few of those. We got 3. And if you guys missed that video of these slipper socks, we found a ton of these before. But we actually found the Batman. Did we find these before?
No.
We didn't find the Batman. All right, so we're finding these Batman slipper socks. What are these called?
Slipper socks.
Fuzzy Baba slipper socks. Batman. Here's the UPC. All right, these are only coming up $1. Nothing is marked. Do you remember the price of these? Were these $1?
Yep.
I think they were. All right, here's some more Russell Performance. These are active. So you got that. You got these with the little spaceships. The baby's gonna want these.
Probably.
All right, so you got these. These come with 3 pairs. All right, you got this one right here.
And these are thick socks too.
They're really thick.
How many pairs in here?
I think 3.
So this is 3 too. This is small, but they have different sizes too.
All right, so for the camouflage with the red and the blue, here's the UPC. All right, you guys, these are only coming up $1. You guys can see, what's the regular price? $8.47? $8.47. You guys can see the $3 price. Even in Hawaii, they keep walking past all this. These are actually $1 when you scan it. So $1. These are also $1 when you scan it, but the price is $3. So if you guys want these with like the alien spaceships, there's UPC. These are only $1. All right, so this is what we found so far, you guys. Remember, these Russell Performance are only $1. And then you got these for $1. These are the boy socks. We got these Reebok socks. I don't think I showed them these. These are the Reebok crew socks for boys. Here's the UPC. And you guys, these are only ringing up $2. $2. Remember, next time you guys are in Walmart, check out these Frozen Girl socks. They're only $1. You get 6 pairs. The JoJo ones are also $1. You got the Mickey or Minnie Mouse for only $1. The Trolls. Look how many socks you get. That's a lot. For only $1. We found these for $1. And then these Russell Performance active socks are only $2. Oh, we also found this one, guys. Lego. This is a Lego movie?
Yeah, that's a big one right there.
Look how many socks you guys get. Look. I think you get 6 pairs. Here's the UPC. And these are also $1. And today, we have my uncle with us. Say hi, Mark. We're teaching him at a clearance shop, you guys. So, wish us luck. And these are all the socks we got in our cart. They're ranging from $1 to $2 to about, we have $3 socks? No, just $1 and $2, you guys. Manny, you ready to go to the beach?
Maybe one more Walmart. Only one.
No
They
more
only got
Walmarts.
2 in the area.
No more Walmarts. All right, you guys. We'll see you guys later. Good luck. All right, you guys. This is a little bonus video. As we're about to leave, we found this section over here with little girl socks. And someone tried to hide these. So we actually just found these Disney princess ones. And it also comes with 6 pairs. You see Ariel here. They have Cinderella, I think Mulan, Jasmine. I can't see the other one, but it's a pack of 6. You guys, here's what it looks like. There's the UPC. And you guys, these are also only coming up $1. So we're going to throw those in there. Here's another one right here. So I've actually found 2. Those are 2 new ones. Look at my cart, you guys. How are we going to get this back home? We are way in Hawaii. How are we going to ship this? And then I found one more up here. Hold on, you guys. Look at this one. This one is the Jurassic Park. And I wish these fit my son, but they don't. But this is Jurassic Park. Here's the UPC. And these are also only coming up $1. So we are actually finding a bunch of clearance in Hawaii. All right, guys, so we are at the register right now. All these socks are only coming up $1. They don't have bags in Hawaii, so that's why she's throwing it in the cart. Good price. Alright, so here's the socks we got so far. Here's our price. They're all still ringing up $1. These are the big packs of socks, which are these for only $2. So again, you guys, we are in Hawaii, and we are finding clearance like crazy. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you're subscribed. Manny, you going in?
Oh, I can leave it here.
Here.
No, I'll leave it. Yeah, I can leave it on the right.
Oh, I'm about to jump in. Don't forget to take off the mask. Take his shirt off. Dirty Manny, Big Manny, Uncle Paul. Manny, is it cold? How you gonna have jean shorts on?
To a lagoon. I'm like, is it cold? He like, nah. It's cool.
He's probably used to it. He live here.
Yeah, I mean, it's like colder than like the beach water.
Bobo, jump in. Look at the rocks. They're so pretty. Look at these rocks. Mark, your turn.
You gotta jump in.
Water is so super cold. Man, Mark, that was a big wave over there. Over on this side, that thing went all the way up on the rocks. All right, there they go in the water.